Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our third chapter, that is playing with the numbers. In the previous video what we have studied, once will recall it, that we have studied about that. What are the factors, common factors, and what are the common multiples? Yes, you know that previously already you know that how to find out the factors and how to find out the multiple of the numbers. So whenever you are finding that factors of the two numbers, and that time what are the common factors, that means that factor are present in both numbers, that is called as a common factors. Okay, and what are the multiples, what are the common multiples of the two numbers that we are finding, that is called as common multiples, which we have studied in the previous video. But students, today we are going to learn about that. What is that? Some examples and what is that HCF. Do you know that HCF? Did you hear that word? आपको पता हुआ क्या? Did you have studied I think in 5th standard? Yes, HCF, LCM. So HCF, what is the stands for? It stands for, what is that? H for highest, C for common, F for फैक्टर, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. हमें कौन सा एक नंबर, दो नंबर से हम जब ले रहे कॉमन फैक्टर निकाल रहे, उसी से जो जितना कॉमन फैक्टर निकालो उससे हाईएस्ट कौन है, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर कौन है. सपोज एक दो नंबर से हमें कॉमन फैक्टर एक ही, सपोज और एक दो निकाला और एक 5 निकाला, तो इससे हम कॉमन फैक्टर, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है, कॉमन फैक्टर 1 2 5 होता, लेकिन हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर क्या होगा, 5 होगा. Did you understand? So today we are going to learn about that. What is the HCF or what is the highest common factor of the given number? May it is a 2 number, maybe 3 numbers. Okay. So let us see how we should find out the highest common factor or HCF of 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Okay. Look at here, students. I will explain about that. What are that common factors or what are that HCF of the 2 numbers we will discuss. Okay, so first of all we will see that here what is that examples I have, what I have taught that in the last day. I will explain once, then after we will go for the HCF. So write the smallest question is, write the smallest 4-digit number and express in the form of its prime factors. Already I have told you what is that prime factors. Yes, if every numbers we can express in the product of the prime numbers. Yes, suppose I will say 2. What are the prime numbers, product of the two prime numbers? Now 2 into 2 into 2. Yes, if I say 10, 10 is a composite number. Every composite numbers we can express, or every numbers we can express as a product of prime numbers. Okay, such a prevail. 10 what we can write? We can write 2 into 5. 2 is a prime number, 5 is also prime number. If I will say 6, 6 is a composite number, so we can write it 2 into 3, 2 is a prime number, 3 also prime number. If I say 5, 5 is a prime number, we can write 1 into 5. So every number we can write, it's a, what is that, product of the prime number. That means except the prime number means 2 factors, 1 and itself. Let them to except the prime number, we can say that other number is a composite number. That means every composite number we can express as a product of what is that, prime numbers. So look at here. So what is that question given? The smallest 4-digit number. What is that smallest 4-digit number? So answer we can, solution we can write. First to find out the number, the smallest 4-digit number. Okay. Is equal to how much? What is the smallest 4-digit number? The smallest 4-digit number is equal to 1000. Okay. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So we have to find out that what are the prime factors. Okay. So we can do this. If you factors, if you want to do, you can do like this. Differential also you can do. But on technically I am saying to you, if you find out that 500 to 250 to 125, 5, 25, 5, 5. This is one way higher class will study, but generally we can do by that tree methods, or we can do 2 into 500 we can write. Yes, with the 2 divisible, so 2 into 500 we can write is equal to this 500 we can break it 2 into what is that 250. We can write it 2 into 2. This we can break 2 into 125. 2 into 2 into 2 up to here. Then after this 125 we can break. High with it is divisible because end with 5. 2 are not divisible. So 5 into 25. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. These are all of the prime numbers. So we don't want. So 25 we can write 5 into 5. So these are the prime factors. This is 2, 2, 2, 5 into 5. So instead of 1000, the 1000 we can write as a product of the prime numbers. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So if you multiply, the answer will get 1000. Did you understand, friends? This is one of the methods. This is whenever you will study this, you will higher class will study. But this one number will be breaking. If you do prime numbers like that, then you will get also prime factors or prime numbers. Now we will study about the students HCF. HCF मतलब highest common factor. H for highest, C for common and F for factor. So highest common factor क्या होता है? हम जब दो नंबर को फैक्टर निकालते बाद में क्या करते हैं, कॉमन फैक्टर निकालना स्टडी किया, तो कॉमन फैक्टर से जब हम निकालने के बाद जो हाईएस्ट होगा, जो सबसे बड़ा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज HCF. Look at here. HCF is the greatest number which is exactly divide the two or more given number. जो दो नंबर दिया वो HCF मतलब जो greatest number उसके डिवाइड हो सकता है. देखो, we can see that one example we can take. Find the HCF of 12 and 18. ठीक है, so we can write the solution first of all. फर्स्ट क्या निकालना है, ये 12 इधर 18 है, दो नंबर है, ये दो नंबर का फैक्टर्स वैल्यू निकालो. सो ऑल पॉसिबल ठीक है फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12 कितना होगा, क्या क्या होगा, फैक्टर क्या क्या होगा. वी कैन से फर्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट 2 हो सकता है क्योंकि 2 डिविजिबल आल्सो, 3 भी हो सकता है, 3 डिविजिबल, 4 भी हो सकता है, 4 3 जा 12, 5 नहीं होगा, 6 हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट डायरेक्ट वी कैन राइट इट 12. ठीक है, दीज आर द फैक्टर्स. सेम लाइक स्टूडेंट्स, all possible factors of 18 में क्या क्या फैक्टर है, हम पहले 1 चेक करना है. 1 तो कंपल्सरी, 2 is divisible because you replace 18 is there, so 2 9 is 18, 3 6 is 18, so 3 is divisible, 3 is divisible, 6 is also divisible, 6 3 is 18, मतलब 6 के बाद में 7 नहीं होगा, 8 नहीं होगा, 9 2 जा, so 9 divisible. Next 18. Did you understand, friends? So one methods I am telling you students how to find out the factors. Just remind. Suppose it is given 18. ठीक है, 18 का फैक्टर्स कैसे निकालना है, ठीक है, उसको पहले याद रखो. कौन सा दो नंबर को हम मल्टीप्लाई करें तो वो 18 आ रही है, वही दीज आर द टू और द फैक्टर्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई कैन राइट 1 into 18. सो चेक करो 2 से हो रही है नहीं, 2 into 9, 3 से भी हो रही है, 3 into 6, 6 into 3 हो जाता, फिर वही इतना होता बस. ये जो है मतलब 1 2 3 6 9 and 18, these are the factors. Did you understand, friends? So 1 and 18, these are the also two factors. 2 and 9, these are the two factors. 3 and 6 also, these are the two factors. Again, this having the only 6 factors. So I have written 1 2 3 6 9 18. This way also we can do. Now common factors we can say. What is the common factors? So look at that. Common factors क्या हो सकता है हमें, we can round it. ठीक है, we can round it. What are the common factors? First we have to see here and we can check here. First 1 is here 1 is there, yes. Here 2 check, yes, 2 also is there. Common factor this is. 3 is there, yes. 4 is there here 4 not there, leave it 4. 6 is here also 6 is there. Here 12 is there, here 12 not there, leave it. Now common factors are क्या क्या है common factors? हम लिख सकते हैं 1, 2, 3 and 6. ठीक है. Highest common factor, highest और HCF. You can direct shortly write HCF is equal to क्या? Now in this में ये these are the common factors. But in this में highest common क्या है? Highest factor common factor क्या है? 6. ठीक है. तो hence the HCF is equal to how much? 6. तो HCF of 12 and 16 is equal to 6. ये greatest number जो कि दोनों नंबर को डिवाइड करके डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Did you understand what is that? How to find out that HCF? पहले क्या करना है हमको? हमको ए नंबर का फैक्टर्स निकालना है. ठीक है. हमें ए नंबर का फैक्टर निकालने के बाद ए नंबर का निकालना है. अभी ए 12 का नंबर का फैक्टर्स निकाल दिया, बाद में 18 नंबर का फैक्टर्स निकाल दिया, बाद में ये दोनों कॉमन फैक्टर्स क्या है निकाला. ये कॉमन फैक्टर्स हो गया. इससे ग्रेटेस्ट क्या है? 6 ये ग्रेटेस्ट सबसे बड़ा कौन है? 6 है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज HCF. ठीक है. Let us see one more 3 example with 3 numbers which you can take that. I have written that. Find the HCF of 70, 105 and 75 by listing the factors. First you should find out the factors, then common factors, then highest factors, highest common factors. So look at your students. I have written already all the possible factor of 70. कितना होगा देखो. ये 1 भी होगा, 2 होगा, 5 होगा, 7, 10, 14, 35 and 7. If you will do that, you will find out that easily you can say what are the factors. ठीक है. Same like students, all possible factor of 105 I have done. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 15, 21, 35, 105. These are the all possible factor of 105. All possible factor of 75. Last one is 75. So that is 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. Same procedure students. First I found that out what are the factors of that given numbers. Then after we have to find out the common factors. Yes. So what I have to find out that first? Common factors. Common factors क्या होता? What are the common factors? First we have to check that P. That means when the factors are present in the 3 numbers, that is the common factors. Yes. First we have to check that 1. Here first number from this number we have to check that numbers are present in this or not. We have to see. That's all. First 1 is there. Yes, 1 is there. So round it. Second, what is the number 2? 2 check. Here 2 not there. Which leave. 1 not there. Which you don't want to go for third one. Now 5. 5 here is there. 5 here is there. 5 here is there. So 5 we can round. Suppose friends you will get the confusion. Suppose one factor it is present in the 2 numbers but not in third. That also we cannot take as a common factors. ठीक है. याद रखो कौन से तो 2 में होगा, थर्ड से नहीं होगा तो भी वो नहीं होगा. 3 से रहना है. 3 नंबर से वो फैक्टर होगा तो उसको कॉमन फैक्टर बोलेंगे. ठीक है. अभी चेक करो 7 इधर है, इधर नहीं है, छोड़ देना. देखो ये 7 है, इधर 7 है, लेकिन इधर नहीं है तो that is not a common factor. It is common for the 2 numbers, not in 3 numbers. 10 देखो इधर 10 नहीं है, छोड़ देना. Here 14 is there, here 14 not there, you have to leave. Here 35 is there, here 35 is there, here not there. Yes, here also not there. Here 70 is there, here 70 not there, here not there. So now that was all. So we can write common factor is 1 and a 5. So now we have to find out that highest common factor. What is that? Highest common factor, or that is called as HCF. Which is how much? 2 factors common. 2 factors we got now here. So we have to round it. We can highest the 5. So this is the 5 is the HCF. So HCF of 70, 105 and 75 is how much? 5. Okay. HCF of hence HCF of 70, 105 and 75 is how much? 5. Did you understand, friends? Now look at the students. We have to make it third example, you can understand also. So first of all, see the students, how about the question it is, find the HCF of 36 and 48. ठीक है, ये दो नंबर दिया, तो कैसे करना है पहले, फर्स्ट ऑल पॉसिबल ऑफ, वी कैन सेल्फ राइट ऑन all possible factors of 36. क्या क्या होगा, देखो फर्स्ट 1 का कंपलसरी होगा, 2 आल्सो यदि होगा 2 18 जा, 3 होगा 3 12 जा, 4 9 जा सो 4 होगा, 6 भी होगा 6 6 से 36, 9 भी होगा 9 4 जा, 12 होगा 12 3 जा, ठीक है, एंड 18 भी होगा and 36 होगा. Okay, these are the factors of the 36. Same like students, all possible factors of 48. But all possible factors of 48 क्या होता है, 1 तो होगा कंपल्सरी, 2 भी होगा, 2 24 जा, 3 भी होगा, ओके 3 14 जा, नेक्स्ट 16 जा, नेक्स्ट क्या होगा 4 होगा, 5 नहीं होगा, 6 होगा, 8 6 जा, सो 6 होगा, 8 भी होगा, 12 भी होगा, ओके 16 होगा, 24 होगा एंड 48 होगा. These are the common factors. These are the factors of the given number. So what is that common factors? I will write CF. CF means common factors I am writing. Now write down the common factors, you should round it. First of all, 1 is there here, this is 1. Here 2 is there, this is 2. Here 3 is there, it is a 3. It is a 4 is there, yes it is a 4. It is 6 is there, it is a 6 also there. Here 9 is there, here 9 are there. Here 12 is there, here 12 is there. Here 18 is there, here 18 are there. Here 36 is there, here 36 is not there. So that much. So common factors what are that? You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Whatever that we have rounded, that number we have to write. Okay. Now in this way, what is the highest common factor? HCF. HCF is equal to क्या होगा? 12. So this is 12 is the HCF of 36 and 48. I hope you have understood about that. What is that HCF? Means highest common factors. How to find out that of the two numbers or the more numbers. Okay, students, you should enjoy it. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.